Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Messenger video call while chatting. To know how to fix or how to solve Messenger video call while chatting, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. After that, in this list you will search about the application of Messenger. When you'll find this page of app info, you will click on forward stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click storage. After that we click clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data, it may cause issues on your application. And you can go to your airplane mode, you can turn on, then you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix any problem that you have on Messenger. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.